Hello class, and welcome to this video for exercise number 26 of Learning Publisher. You're going to open up pub 26, the file, and then we're going to go and save it under a new name. So pub 26 you open up, and right away you're saving it to a new name, and that name is 26 pet underscore your initials. So 26 pet underscore your initials. You can see with my magnifier here, it says make the silent auction text 48 point, bold, and centered. So I'm going to select it. Go up here, select my size for the text, 48. It said bold and then centered. So it's going to look like that. So silent auction. Then it says change the silent auction's text color to white. So it's going to make it disappear. That's okay. We're going to fix that later on. So I've switched it to white. Now it says apply a texture as a background fill in the silent auction text box. Choose one of the darker features for best results. So shape effects, or excuse me, shape fill, I'm going to click on, and I'm going to go down to textures, and like they said, choose a darker one for best results. So I'm going to go with this one. You can pick which one you want, just make sure it's dark enough you can read the text. Next thing I'm going to do after that is I select all the text in the second text box here, and it says I need to make it all Arial, 14-point font, and create a new style called body and define it to match the text. So I'm going to click styles, choose new style, body, and it's going to match the text. So style, new style by their body, and it'll match the text. It says make the time, date, and place text box or text bold, italicized, and dark blue in color. So bold, italicized, and then I'm going to go over here to blue in it. Now for this one, you're not going to really see a dark blue. It looks like there is one here, so you can go with that one. Otherwise, you could always do more colors. Alright, then I'm going to apply a border art to the entire page. The way I'm going to do this is I'm actually going to draw a shape. I'm going to use a rectangle. And I want to draw it over the entire page here. So kind of line it up if I can get it right, a little hard with the magnifier. Go for the entire page. Then I'm going to apply border art to this here, the shape outline. So shape outline, of course you're adding a pattern. You could do, but you need to do a border outline, which you should have learned here in one of your past exercises. So I'm going to let you do that on your own. Then you're going to create a table in the remaining space of the flyer. So I'm going to insert a table here. It needs to be 8 rows, 3 columns. So 3 columns here, 8 rows. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to create that table. It says to merge the cells in my first row, so I'm going to do that. So file, I'm going to select it, merge cells right here after I've selected the top row. Then it says apply 14-point Arial formatting to the entire table. So I'm going to select this entire table. Arial 14-point formatting. Delete the bottom 2 rows, it says here. So we're going to do that. Delete the bottom 2 rows. So I've selected the bottom 2, deleting it now, rows. And that says resize the table so it takes up the same space as it did before the deletion. So I'm going to bring it down about 2 there. Apply a 1/4 point black border to every side of every cell in the table except the first row. So I'm going to select all those. Design lines. It says 1/4 black. So I'm going to choose black. And I'm going to select my borders here. All borders, and voila. So borders you have to do last. That was part of the issue with the last exercise video here. Then you're going to set vertical alignment for the top row to bottom. So layout, alignment, bottom. Vertical alignment for the remaining rows to middle. And then enter the text shown in illustration A into the table. And I'm going to resize my table here a little bit to match what is in the video, or excuse me, the picture. And I'm going to put here in the text so you're going to want to type this stuff in as I'm doing right now. And that is going to basically be, you just save it, and that is it for your exercise. So I should see the files that we've worked on here in the video. You may have to pause this one a little bit more because I did kind of go through this one pretty quickly. Oh, clothing is not how to spell that way. Alright, save the file, and that is how you complete exercise number 26 for Learning Publisher.